everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to a fun day. Yes, because we're going to have a giveaway today, and I cannot believe how kind and lovely and generous my subscribers are, how they talk among each other. It just brings my heart joy. And so today I have something else that's going to bring someone some joy, because my lovely subscriber Cindy B, she had sent me a box of goodies, and so she said do with what you want with them. And so I thought this would be great to have a couple summer giveaways. And so this is just one of the giveaways that is sponsored by Cindy B. I just can't believe her generosity. So I'm going to get right into it, but that means stay tuned. There'll be another one coming up during the summer. So thank you, Cindy. You are so kind to do this, and so you're going to make someone very happy. Now, of course, this giveaway is for USA only because of shipping, especially when it comes to paper. And then you must be 18 and a subscriber, and the full details will be listed below. The giveaway will be open for a couple weeks, because I like to get the giveaways out to the hands of the people so you can play with them. I know what it is when I have scrapbook supplies coming, I want to play. Yes. So the first thing is a 12 by 12 Country Home Park Lane paper pad, and of course this is under the American Craft umbrella. It's very, very nice, and this is considered a collection pad because it has foil, vellum, linen, and mulberry paper. Oh, can you remember the day when mulberry paper was popular? And a couple years ago, I have been trying to find it. I never could. So I will tell you that this is on my wish list. So I want one of these myself. Yes, absolutely. Okay. So this is 34 sheets. Cardstock with specialty, and I'm just going to show in a quick manner what it is. Some of them are double-sided, some aren't, but it's just beautiful, and you can tell it definitely has that country home feel. And look at that paper, look at that vellum, just beautiful. And that green is hard to come by. And then we have some foil and a beautiful blue. Just look at that. I'm not even going to say anything. Okay, now just feast your eyes on this. A beautiful floral and a wood grain. And my name should be right in the middle of that. Gorgeous. I love it. And of course, this beautiful. Now, this is a fabric piece. Very just beautiful to the touch. It's fabric, but I don't know if it has adhesive. No, but it's got a backer to it. Some cut aparts, and there's the back of the cut aparts. They're plain. The front has text on them. And then we have that piece of mulberry paper. Look at that. Beautiful. Cindy, you're so kind. Someone is going to be excited to get this in the mail and play with it. And like I said, it's on my wish list. Look at that beautiful floral navy. And the back is that brown. Oh, yes. Not only is it floral, but it's yellow. Oh, man. You take this yellow floral and you put it with this wood grain right here. Yes, those are beautiful together, if you can see that. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, so then, what do we have here? Then we have this green wood grain. Very, very pretty. And then this is a blue, and this is fabric as well. Very pretty. Beautiful floral. Look at the text on that blue. More green. Yellow. Lace. And then we have a gold foil vellum. Yes, this is a nice paper pad. Okay, these can be found at Joann's. Okay, and here we have some double-sided paper too. This has a little bit of foil, and then another fabric piece. Whew, this would be nice to put in those dies. What were those dies called? Those great big dies from Sizzix. I can't think of it. And so then, of course, those Biggs dies. And then there's the cardstock. And, of course, they're two-toned. One color on the front and one color on the back. Again, this pad has 34 sheets. But that's a little bit of the flip-through of Country Home. And this can be yours if you win this giveaway. Yes, it will be. Okay, so hang on and I'll show you what else is in the giveaway. We have a set of Spellbinder dies. Yes, look at this. They're beautiful. There's 5 in there, very ornate. Go beautiful with this Country Home. And this is cut, emboss, and stencil. Yes. Now, I will tell you with Spellbinder dies, I don't have very good luck embossing with them, so I may have to reach out soon. I was running across that the other day, so I may have to have someone educate me how to do that. I don't know how to do that. And then in this giveaway, we have another kit, and it is a devotional kit by the Illustrated Faith. I can't believe Cindy has these for the giveaway. Such a nice gift. Okay, so these are created by Shannon Noel, and in this is absolutely a kit, and you can see there's a nice set of washi tape, and then we have a pie chart sticker, and we have, I'm not even going to open that up, but I'm assuming there's embellishments or something in there. I don't want to open that up. You have a brand new Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith, and someone recently said that Bella Boulevard will not be distributing the Illustrated Faith collections. So who will then? Because I think Doodlebug is kind of taking over Bella Boulevard, correct? So who's doing the Illustrated Faith part? Does anybody know that? Please share. And then we have a fabric clip, and then a stamp set, which is just wonderful. Look at that set. Okay, and then of course there's your faith journaling book, you know, your devotional book where you can do your journaling, your artwork, all that fun stuff. So this devotional kit is part of this giveaway. So what do you need to do? Well, you can just leave a comment below. And since this paper pad is called Country Home, give a comment about what do you love about your home. What's the one thing you love about your home? Where is it, you know, is it because of where it's located or something specific in your home or who's in your home? Whatever, just something about your home. Tell us about that. And then also, too, if you don't want to do that, just give a big old thank you to Cindy. That's what you can do. Just give Cindy a big thank you because she is the sponsor of this giveaway. So again, Cindy, thank you. Very generous of you. And so just leave a comment. It will be open for a couple weeks. Again, USA only, 18 and older, and a subscriber. If you definitely could do that. Yes, no one will twist your arm, but that's what you need to do. Absolutely. So that's all I have for today in this wonderful giveaway. Again, thank you, Cindy, and thank you to everyone who's my subscriber. I love you dearly. Absolutely. So come back to RTS because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.